Stop leaving your water heater on. If your electricity unit finish quickly, check your water heater. Most Nigerian homes, the electricity heater, they are rated 3000 watts. 3000 watts, that means 3 units for every single hour of usage. 3 units for every single hour of usage. Now, if you use that for 2 hours daily, that will give you 6 units for every day. Multiply that by 30 days. That will give you 180 units. Imagine that for only water heater alone, 180 units. If you check properly, that will contribute to your unit disappearing very fast. Switch it on when you are using it and switch it off when you are not using it. It is small discipline, but it is always big savings. Small discipline, big savings. Please follow for more electricity practical tips.